If you've ever looked at microcontrollers and thought, this seems complicated, don't worry, today we have Swift embedded a modern, beautiful language to get started developing for microcontrollers. And yes, Swift embedded is not as matured like MicroPython or libraries for ancient languages like C, but everything is doable, and that is why I created a tiny helper summary of Swift code called Garden. Why garden? Because raspberries grow there and Swift birds are sitting in trees. By the way, a garden is a wonderful place to try out new things like embedded programming. The feature set of the garden is growing, and what you see might be outdated. Currently, the library supports things like buzzers, temperature sensors, knobs, displays, Pico and Pico W, as well as a traffic light and some convenient helper scripts to get started and running. Of course, you can find a list of all contents in the README. Currently, it only supports Mac OS, but Swift embedded in general is operating system independent. To actually get running, just download or clone the repository and follow the simple Getting Started section from the README. After that, open the folder in an editor of choice. Finally, you will see the main function in Swift that calls an example. We delete this, and for now working on a script that lets the onboard LED from our Pico blink. Because the light is not a simple pin on the W, we need to use a helper. After that, we just need a simple and never-ending loop in which we turn the light on and off again. The sleeper will get a more Swifty calling syntax in the future, I guess. Now it is time to flash the Pico with our source. The garden has a run shell script which can be used dry with the flag no flash or just as it is. The terminal output will print the current steps or errors. Guys, we did it. The light is blinking. We wrote our first Swift embedded app that runs on a Raspberry Pi Pico. It will be an amazing thing to see not just software but hardware do what we told them to do. If you want to connect with the community, use the official Swift forum or join the Swift Discord. I will be there.